Hi there, students. To quaver, a verb, a quaver, a noun. Okay, to quaver means to tremble, particularly somebody's voice. Okay, so if somebody's voice quavers, it's shaky, normally because they feel emotional or because they feel uncertain or a bit nervous. So as I was talking to him, his voice started to quaver and then he broke down crying. Okay, to tremble. Yeah, and this is the idea of to quaver, to tremble, to quiver. Yeah, I have a feeling that quiver and quaver are probably linked. Yeah, it's to vibrate. Yeah, normally it's quite it's a vibrating sound. Yeah, somebody's voice quavers. It sounds unsteady. Yeah, it's uncertain. Yeah, I quaver at the idea of doing this. I tremble. And I think you could use it figuratively, but be careful. Okay, there was a quaver in her voice, so a note of uncertainty. Yeah, her voice quavered. Okay, so if somebody's voice quavers, it trembles. Yeah, she spoke quaveringly. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. That's quite a nice adverb. Yeah. She spoke quaveringly. Or maybe. Yeah. Okay. In a quavering voice. There you go. That's the adjective as well. Okay, a quaver is also a musical note. I think this mostly is used by British people. I think Americans would call this an eighth note. So a quaver, it's quite a short note. Okay, so to quaver. To quiver, as in is if you're weak or you're uncertain or you're unsure about something. Yeah. So his resolve began to quaver. It began to tremble. It began to shake and he began not to be so resolute. Yeah, I guess his hand quavered. His hand trembled. Yeah. I guess quavering is a symptom of some degenerative diseases. Okay, but this is particularly talking about somebody's voice. Yeah, if somebody quavers, or he said quaveringly, he's uncertainly, or yeah, full of emotion. Okay, so to quaver, to tremble, to quiver, to shake. Formality. It sounds a bit literary. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it informally. I think probably use it anywhere. Yeah. And then we need to look at the origin as well. Let's see. This is linked to the Middle English word quaven or quevian, meaning to tremble. And it's a cognate with a German word quabain, yeah, to quiver or to tremble. So I think it's got some sort of Germanic links. Okay, so don't quaver, go directly for your objective. So to quaver, a shake, a tremble, a quavering voice, a trembling voice, a quaver in somebody's voice, and an eighth note, yeah, a quaver, a musical note. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Quaver.